the price is not already breaking the previous higher high. So when making the higher low on these levels, the price will breaking the previous higher high, continuing an uptrend like this. Five seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit from $10 into 4,846 US dollar. As you can see, all orders is green. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to MAFIA Trader. On this video, I'm about to withdraw my profit from trading 12,263 US dollar. This is my profit from the previous trading session in the previous videos, and here I'll withdraw it into my crypto wallet and then leave it $10, and this $10 I will be compounding trading to make a trading challenge. I hope this $10 can flip into $1,000 or maybe more. So here, let's withdraw it. For the big amount withdrawing, I always recommend using crypto like TRC20. Alright guys, here I'm already request withdraw, and here my balance only left $10, and here I wanna do a challenge. But before we are going to the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because I'm pretty sure this channel and this video will be helpful for you to make a lot of money. And here, let's go. I'm already on the platform here, so I will using my simple strategy, the 7-level strategy. And for that we need moving average, of course. This is the settings, and MACD. This is the settings. This is enough to make a lot of money because this strategy is very powerful and very simple. Alright guys, as you can see here, the market is making an uptrend, but here already touching the resistance levels. So there is a chance the price will break into the resistance levels or shifted to a downtrend. But here you can see the confirmation. By this candle, we will know if the candle have a pressure to the downside. Maybe we can sell option, but if the pressure is going to the upside, we can buy option to follow the trend. So that means this market is breaking the resistance level and continuing an uptrend. Alright guys, I will sell options. Why I made sell options? Because as you know here, all of these candles is above the red line, so this is an uptrend, right? And here the price is touching the resistance level and the pressure is more on the seller, so it means this candle will be close below the red lines and shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and absolutely profit. This is our first trade, you can see, and my balance now is 19.20. Alright guys, will be our second trade, because you can see here this is very perfect. We can buy options. I will try to explain to you why I made buy option. As you can see here, there is a downtrend, right? And after the market is breaking to the red line, it means changing from a downtrend to an uptrend, and here making a pullback to touching the red line and then continuing an uptrend. 4 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and absolutely profit. We made a profit again for second trade. Alright, let's continue. I will compounding this amount again. In this, we can buy option again. but we don't have a good entry level, so I think this trade will be loose. If this trade is losing, I will just deposit for $10 and repeat the challenge. Using this strategy, you need to always have a good entry levels. The good entry levels is when the candles is nearby the red line. So if this like this is bad entry levels. You need to wait for the candles is to try to touching or approaching the red line. That's your entry levels. But here seems like because of the sun is made a profit. Yep. Why this trade making a profit even we have a bad entry levels? That is because here when the price is changing to an uptrend, before continuing an uptrend, the price always make a pullback to the red line and then continuing an uptrend, and this is the key. This is the higher high and this is the higher low. In the market of structure, if you see there is a higher high and higher low, and if the market is in an uptrend, so that means from the higher low, the price will breaking the previous higher high like this. So here the price is breaking the higher high. This is the higher high levels and then making new higher high. New higher high. And if there is new higher high, the price will touching the red line again and then continuing an uptrend again. Always like that. As you can see here, we can buy. Here, let's compound this trading. Here I will make buy options. This is good entry levels because why? This is the higher high, and I hope when the candles is touching the red line, this is the higher low levels. You can see we almost lost, but here the higher low levels is perfect for your entry setup. This is perfect. We can buy for 16 seconds, and this is fast trading because I believe this market will breaking the previous higher high. You can see guys, I already told you we made a profit again. Here 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, 4 level, 5 level. We made a profit 5 times in a row, and here from $10 we made $189. I will continue compounding because this $10 is just my profit balance. On this market, as you can see, the price making a pullback into the red line. So here the price will continuing trying to touching the red line before continuing an uptrend. Alright guys, this is a quick trade for 13 seconds. You can see here, after the price try to close to the red line, we made a profit. This is good for your entry levels. Let's continue the balance. I will compounding this balance again. I will make buy option again, of course, because on this market uptrend, the price not already breaking the previous higher high. So I believe these levels is perfect because we enter on the tails of the candles, and I hope this candle will be a green candle. 4 seconds left, 3, 2, 1, and that's very close. The price still make a pullback into touching the red line. So here we need to be careful because the momentum is already small, so there's a chance the market shifted from an uptrend into a downtrend. Alright guys, I think we can sell option on this market. I will make a sell option in the next candle. I need to wait for the candles to try to approaching the red line like this. Oh we don't have a good entry levels here, but it's okay because I believe on this market will be continuing a downtrend. As you can see here, the candles is already above the red line, so this is a downtrend, and here the price making a pullback to touching the red line and then continuing a downtrend. And here this is the lower low levels and this is the lower high levels. So if a market is a downtrend, if the market making the lower high, the market will continuing breaking the previous lower low levels on these levels, so the price will continue. As you can see here, we made the profits. Let's continue compounding this balance. Alright guys, we can buy option on this market. You can see here, this is a perfect uptrend. All of these candles is above the red line, so this is an uptrend. So here when the candles try to touching the red line, the price will continuing an uptrend. 3 seconds left, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit again. And now from $10 our balance is $2,523. I will try to continue, I will compounding this balance for the last trade. And here the price already breaking the previous higher high, so I need to wait for the candles touching to the red line again before the price continuing an uptrend. The momentum on this market is already small, but it's okay. The resistance level is still far away, so we can still buy options. Here I made buy option for our last trade. I will try to explain to you because here the price is not already breaking the previous higher high. So when making the higher low on these levels, the price will breaking the previous higher high, continuing an uptrend like this. You can see here. Let's wait for this trade to be profitable, and this will be our last trade. 5 seconds left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit from $10 into $4,846. As you can see, all orders is green. Alright guys, I think that's all for this video. You can see this strategy is very powerful, and if you want to learn more about this and if you want to know about the full setup of this strategy, you can text me on Telegram. The link is on the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. If you have any question, you can comment on this video. See you later.